So we figured out that the distributor was corroded and rusty. As you can see here, the HEI module is completely messed up. So the first thing we ended up doing was pulling out that distributor and replacing it with the cheapest one I could find. Normally you'd want to install it at top dead center cylinder number 1. I did a little bypass kind of hack here where I just marked everything so I could just install the new one identically to how the old one came out. I do not recommend this. I recommend you installing it pointing at top dead center on cylinder number 1 and using a timing light to time it properly. But this was just, like I said, quick little way I wanted to test it out just to see, to make sure that that was the actual problem. And it was a 14 millimeter bolt, if anyone cares, or a 9/16 bolt, if anyone cares, to loosen up the distributor. And then, yeah, we just threw in the new one. And as you will see in a minute here, we go for another test drive, and this time, spoiler alert, but it does not backfire through the intake. Now, this was just the cheapest absolute distributor I could find on Amazon, so it didn't have great reviews, but I think there was only 20 reviews in total, and it was a 3-star. So I would recommend getting a proper distributor, or at least a brand name or something with a good warranty. But here I am pulling out the old one. I do have to play with the oil pump inside to line it up a little bit, but once we get that done, the new distributor pops right in. The new distributor in. We've got this main spark coming in there, and then it's 1, 8, 4, 3, 6, 5, 7, 2. Let's see if it starts. It will. I don't know why I'm saying let's see.
I'm filming.
Yeah.
Didn't know I was filming, but I'm filming.
I figured you'd want it.
Only if you want me to.
Yeah, sure. It's gonna be a super short, like 3-minute video. Of me putting that on.